Hi, I'm John Dare, and today's show is about structured settlement quotes, what you need to know. So first, let's talk about pricing. For the most part, with annuity-based structured settlements, quotes are generated by the annuity issuer software provided to licensed and appointed consultants who can run these quotes and send them to you by email or provide them on the spot from laptops at a mediation, in your office, the judge's chambers, or in the claimant's living room. These types of quotes are known as book rate quotes. Book rates are set periodically by life insurance companies that issue structured settlement annuities at a level in which they are comfortable to attract a large volume of business up to a certain premium amount per measuring life. Above that, daily rate pricing is required. Now, daily rate pricing is highly sensitive to market conditions and may not always be available. In some cases, daily rates are not as competitive as book rates. It depends. Daily rates vary by carrier. Sometimes one carrier will have daily rates and another will not. How long are daily rates good for? Some may be good until the next day. Others expire at the close of business. Some annuity issuers, such as Berkshire Hathaway, do not provide such software for book rate quoting and only do home office quoting with daily rates, but they are very responsive. Interest rate linked structured settlement annuities offered by American General must also be home office quoted. Now, when do rates change? Book rate changes by insurance companies occur periodically. Once a rate change is announced by the life insurance company issuing the structured settlement annuity, there's a limited time frame to lock in rates under an existing rate series. It's an especially important consideration when rates are decreasing. So if you get a call from an insurance agent telling you that the rates are changing, they probably are, and you might want to think about making a decision. And otherwise, if the rates are dropping, you need to know what the consequences are. The other thing that you need to think about is, are there any rated ages? If stable income for life payments are being considered, are there any health impairments that can be used by the structured settlement annuity issuer to boost the yield or drop the cost of funding a particular need of the plaintiff with a structured settlement? Where a prospective annuitant is an impaired risk, the annuity issuer may be willing to price the structured settlement annuity at an age greater than the measuring life's actual age. The cost of $5,000 per month for a life of a 50-year-old with a rated age of 60, for example, will be less expensive than a 50-year-old with no rated age with the same annuity issuer. It's exactly the opposite to what would happen if you were applying for life insurance, where such an impairment would cause the price to go up. Next question is the structured settlement going to be split funded with multiple life insurance companies? On larger cases, it is often a consideration. Naturally, the cost is going to vary by company, and there are a lot of variables to consider. After a plan design is decided, your structured settlement expert will help sew together a diversified blend to suit your personal taste and risk tolerance. Will the structured settlement be pre-funded in advance of court approval or execution of release, or will the benefits need to be locked in? Now, why would any insurer agree to pre-fund? Well, pre-funding is nice because it walls off price fluctuations and reduces friction for settling parties that can arise from backed-up court dockets, such as we saw during the pandemic in 2020. Many larger liability insurers that have formal structured settlement programs will pre-fund, but others will not. Many annuity issuers will issue what I call a pre-fund refund letter, which allows the rate hold with pre-funding, but keeps a string on the pre-funded money, providing a refund if the court does not approve the settlement, so there's really no risk. If a structured settlement quote lock-in is to be used, how long? That's an important consideration because sometimes lock-in fees apply, and that can be a bit of a waste of money. Some carriers have extended periods for fee-free lock-ins, such as Pacific Life. Please bear in mind that certain types of structured settlement quotes cannot be locked in, such as structured settlements being funded with United States Treasury obligations, also known as Treasury-funded structured settlements, or if it's a funding agreement issued by an insurance company, or if it's a market-based structured settlement. That's another example. So how do you know if you're getting good structured settlement quotes? For starters, you always want to make sure that you're dealing with an insurance agent or broker who holds an active insurance license in your state. Licenses can often be verified online through consumer portals on the website of your state's insurance department or the Department of Financial Services, or by asking for a license number and then verifying from the same sites. Is the insurance agent or broker a member of the National Structured Settlements Trade Association, Society of Settlement Planners, or American Association of Settlement Consultants? Does the insurance agent or broker have access to all the primary market structured settlement annuity issuers? Have a clear understanding and confirm whether you are receiving a book rate or daily rate quote. Daily rate quotes are not always available, but if they are available, they can make a difference. Well, I hope this brief introduction has been helpful. If you have any questions or need structured settlement quotes, please contact me at the number below. Thank you for watching. I'm John Dare. Have a great day.